Hi guys, Brent here with ECS Tuning, here to introduce our newest performance intercooler for the 8Y RS3. If you don't already have this intercooler, what are you doing? It's obvious, this is much larger than the factory unit, 130% more volume than the factory unit. Both the inlet and outlet end tanks have been optimized using CFD to improve flow distribution through the core, thus increasing your turbo's response time. That's right, less turbo lag. The larger core means increased thermal mass, meaning less heat soak. So when you're tracking your car, whether it's autocross, taking passes down the drag strip, it'll keep your car cooler, those IATs will stay down, so you'll have more performance throughout the life of driving the car. Another key feature of our intercooler is that it's a complete bolt-on unit. That's right, no chassis modifications are required. This is a fully reversible mod, so if you want to put it on and then you're like, trade it back into the dealer, but they don't want the modifications on there, take it off, no modifications, you're good to go. Feel free to check out our full comprehensive kit on our website at ecstuning.com, along with a full catalog of parts for your 8Y RS3.